Fabulous Friday to all. This is a quick market update for what happened with VA and FHA bonds the week of March 27th through the 2nd, or February 27th through the 2nd of March. So here's where we're at trading today at approximately 128. Our opening was down here at 101.75, and we're currently sitting at about 107.81. Keep in mind that the higher the bond market goes, the lower the rates go. And when you're looking at locking a VA or an FHA loan, we're using Ginnie Mae coupon, not the Fannie Mae coupon. The Fannie Mae coupon is for conventional loans. So if we go back to yesterday, we had dropped off pretty hard, did recover up, but do be on the cautious side. So we're starting to traipse and trade between basically about 107.60, and then at the upside, if we can maintain above this, maybe 107.80, but a word of caution. So if we back up to about a 1 month view, just to give you a little bit more depth, the height of the market this year for Ginnie Mae was on the 15th of February, and by the tails, so the tail is the end of the candlestick. It didn't last very long in terms of pricing, and then it slammed back down when it breached 108.40, and then the next day it slammed down again, and then we dropped to a new trading range. So do be on the cautious side. If you back up to a 3-month view, you can see the pattern of a traipse up, a drop off, traipse up, and then a drop off again. And you do need to be on the cautious side. So we've gotten some favorable market economic news in, which has kind of hurt bonds a little bit in the last little bit. So advice would be probably to lock in, as that's about where we're at and kind of starting to top out at this point. We may see it, depending on what economic news comes in next week, we may see a little bit better pricing, but the risk is also to see this slam down. So advice would be for FHA and VA buyers who are still floating, probably to lock it up today prior to next week. So at any rate, I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will be back to you next